In the full budget in July, Honorable Speaker, our government will present a detailed roadmap for our pursuit of Vikasit Bharat.
आप तो जानते ही हैं कि जब चुनाव का समय निकट होता है तब आमतौर पर पूर्ण बजट नहीं रखा जाता है। हम भी उसी परंपरा का निर्वाह करते हुए पूर्ण बजट नई सरकार बनने के बाद आपके समक्ष लेकर के आएंगे। इस बार एक दिशा निर्देशक बातें लेकर के देश की वित्त मंत्री निर्मला जी हम सबके सामने कल अपना बजट पेश करने वाली है।
Vande Bharat trains are one thing, the bogies 40,000 being upgraded to the Vande Bharat standard is another thing altogether. Those bogies probably cannot even take the speed with which we want to improve the high density areas with better speedy transportation for the common man. Equally, the inside bogie experience is also not up to the mark because they've been so for a very long time, and as time passed by, their quality has also come down a bit. So we are talking about the bogie quality matching with the Vande Bharat standards. As to which of those lines of traffic that they will get connected to, and as a result what will be the rationalization of the ticket price, is not something that we can talk about. That's something which the railways will work out gradually. But progressively, that point proves that through the 40,000 bogies that we're talking about, the quality of the Indian rail bogies, which are so important for safe travel and also ease of living travel and comfort, will need upgradation, and this is what we're aiming for. For our tech-savvy youth, this will be a golden era. The corpus will provide long-term financing or refinancing with long tenors and low or nil interest rates. This will encourage the private sector to scale up research and innovation significantly in sunrise domains. We need to have programs that combine the powers of our youth and technology. A new scheme will be launched for strengthening deep tech technologies for defense purposes and expediting Atmanirbharta. A large number of institutions of higher learning, namely 7 IITs, 16 triple ITs, 7 IIMs, 15 AIMS, and 390 universities have been set up. PM Mudra Yojana has sanctioned 43 crore loans aggregating to 22.5 lakh crores of rupees for entrepreneurial aspirations of our youth. Chess prodigy and our #1 ranked player Pragnananda put up a stiff fight against the reigning world champion Magnus Carlsen in 2023. Today, India has over 80 chess grandmasters compared to little over 20 in 2010. Rooftop solarization and Muft Bijli. Through rooftop solarization, 1 crore households will be enabled to obtain up to 300 units free electricity every month. Following benefits are expected: savings up to 15 to 18,000 rupees annually for households from free solar electricity and selling the surplus to the distribution companies. Rooftop solarization and Muft Bijli. Through rooftop solarization, 1 crore households will be enabled to obtain up to 300 units free electricity every month. Following benefits are expected: savings up to 15 to 18,000 rupees annually for households from free solar electricity and selling the surplus to the distribution companies. Charging of electric vehicles. Entrepreneurship opportunities for a large number of vendors for supply and installation. Employment opportunities for the youth with technical skills in manufacturing, installation, and maintenance.
रूफटॉप सोलर के लिए 10,000 करोड़ का प्रोविजन है बजट में. As regards the urban housing scheme, its contours are being worked out and there is a token and it will be funded when the exact contours are finalized.